Sorry?
You start here though, and then you go. No, that's that. Can I get a banana pudding as well?
Rice, Mexican rice, yeah. Coleslaw and potato salad.
Yeah.
That's on the small. That's small. Okay, one small mac and cheese. What is that?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Barbecue.
We're on too.
That right there, brother, that end piece is the burn end, brother. That's where all the smoke hits the brisket. The best
So-
part of the brisket right there.
Yeah, this is a slice of each. You got the burnt ends, you got a regular slice of moist, and then this is a slice of lean. And it's only a half pound right here.
Hey, don't be fighting over that burn end.
Original or jalapeno cheddar? Jalapeno?
Good
We do
choice.
have to sell it by that whole length. That's good. And I'll cut this up for y'all. Anything else that I could get for you today, sir?
What's the last piece there?
This is the pork ribs right here. Not on this block too is going to be turkey and beef ribs and chopped beef.
I'll try the pork.
The pork rib? Do you want to just do like one small bone? Yeah. And let me cut this up for you as well.
Any beverages for you today, brother?
Yeah.
Do you want the bigger or the smaller leg?
I'll take the small.
Yes, sir.
We don't have a drawer right.
I don't think so.
Actually, brother, do you have card by chance? Give me 1 second. I'll be right back.
Beauty.
Best in Texas right here, y'all. If you want a beer suggestion, I highly suggest the Shiner box over there. Those are, yeah.
Okay, I'll probably
This is a Pilsner right here. They're pretty good, but I'm more of a lager guy.
Thank you so
All
much.
of those Shiner flavors, yeah, they're really, really
Appreciate
good.
it. Thank
It's
you.
my pleasure, sir.
Thank you.
Sincerely. Y'all have a fantastic rest of your day,
Thank you.
gentlemen.
Have a good one.
Sure, we'll check you
Will
out
that be all
right
for you
here.
today, brother?
That's all.
Alrighty, well, with that being said, today it's going to be 7012. Pay with cash or card? Yes, sir. Yeah, whatever.
Menu. Alright. Oh my god. Isn't this just amazing? I'm in heaven right now.
Okay, you're gonna watch me eat off alcohol, but I have to have beer.
¿Cómo estás?
Just for the food. So I've had one beer. And now it's time to try it out. Here we go. Macaroni.
Ándale, ándale.
Oh wow.
Oh my god, it's good.
Let's try the rice. Wow. Have a bit of coleslaw. Potato salad. Oh wow. That was so good. Oh wow. Alright. Let's try the brisket. Check that out. Dip it in a bit of sauce. Damn. Just like in Texas. No.
Never be too sure.
Okay, gonna try the pork now.
You went up to the room,
Pork ribs.
propose some? You're picking on leftover
Damn. Has you got pork ribs?
Yeah. Good, huh?
Did you get the jalapeno cheese?
Sausage. Jalapeno stuffed sausage. Oh my god. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Now that's a real sausage.
Ujungnya juga ada jalapeno.
Oh my god. Simply undescribable. Right, that's a wrap. Hi, proud. There was so much food left, we've packed it. See if we have space later tonight, but I am stuffed. Everybody's so full. You can see that everyone in the restaurant has a takeaway pack, and that's because of the amount of food that they give you and the serves. So, wow, amazing experience. We can proudly say that we've been to Texas. It's like only like in a dream, but we actually stepped foot into Texas, and we've had original, we can say original Texas barbecue. Too good. We are stuffed. We're gonna go back, catch the train, take a stroll, catch the train back to the hotel and chill for a bit. I think these guys are gonna drink grog. Well, that's it for today. Tomorrow's adventure awaits. Peace out. Yan Robinaka. Last day in Dallas. It is 11:42. Body clock was still a bit haywire last night, or like this morning. I slept at like 3:30. So woke up at 11, but that's like I think 5:30 or 6 a.m. Fiji time. I think my body is still on the Fiji time. But we leave this afternoon. This is breakfast. We head to the airport at 5 p.m. and our flight's at 9 something, not sure. We're heading to Ross to do some shopping, and we'll come back, chill for a bit, back, head to the airport. Let's go. We're in a Tesla.
Oh, okay.
Heading to Ross.
7-Eleven is on your right, right?
Left.
Left. There he is. Oh, good, thanks. What's up? How's it?
Really need a strong willpower when you come into Ross. Got some stuff. T-shirts. Got a Samsonite suitcase for like $69. Shoes, perfumes. See, that's it. Yep. Like I said, you need a strong willpower. Andy Candy.
Howdy, with Ross, designer. Place in, well, when I say designer, it's like all the designer stuff that you can get it at Ross. For those of you that don't try to reduce prices, got all the Crocs. Oh no, sorry. Sorry, meanwhile, hanging around me.
Wouldn't have walked out with that.
Tap your card thing in my.
We're off to have some lunch. We're looking for Taco Bell.
Tiara said it's that side, so
She probably has a better memory than us.
Yes, if anybody wants to buy.
Ooh la la.
Verter, hold it up.
Yeah.
Oh, like there's one part there where they just eating everything's chocolate.
Taco Bell.
When did you guys leave?
Yeah.
Paid for 2 other drinks.
It just
Really?
comes. It comes.
This is mango iced tea. Mmm. Let's see what we got here. Is this mine? Yeah. I forgot the guac.
It's like eating Doritos. Go home and do this.
Mom can make this.
They want to be an eat burger. I said, man, you can come all this way and all you're doing is eating burger.
Nachos. Muchas gracias.
Mango.
Wouldn't they have it in the pizza? Right. The moment of truth. This is the steak grill cheese burrito.
Your
Not bad.
to dip.
Not as flavorful as the what's it? Nachos. Nachos, but
Let me try this out.
sorry.
Wow, what brings you to Dallas?
We came up on the inaugural flight, Fiji Airways, so it started flying to Dallas on Tuesday.
Uh-huh.
We came up on the first flight to launch the
Direct
so
flight
the direct
to
flight.
Fiji.
How cool!
Yeah.
So if you're looking for a tropical holiday now, you can come to Fiji direct.
I would love to come to Fiji. I have not been to Fiji yet.
Using the right.
Definitely warmer than Dallas.
In tropical.
And Dallas is not too bad compared to other places.
Yes, we were just saying like how Dallas is so much. The people in Dallas are much more friendlier than
Very nice.
the other American cities that we've been to.
So true. You know, I used to live in New York and then I came to Dallas for a visit and I was shocked how nice people are in
Yes,
Dallas.
that's what we were
That
saying.
was the main reason why I moved here,
Oh,
because
nice.
people and then the weather. I've stayed for 10 days that time and every single day was a sunny day, and it's true, it's practically all the time sunny in Dallas.
Okay, well.
Doesn't rain much, there's not much bad weather really.
Right, shopping done. Back to the room, pack, and get in a training session in the gym. Probably jump in the pool and then head to the airport. Obviously come back, get dressed, head to the airport.
Attention.
There has been an emergency and we are told to walk down. Oh shit. There's no one coming out of their rooms. Oh, they're just testing.
Of the Brian, seriously, Brian, do you have the picture of the problem? I'm gonna see you the picture.
Just check the system.
Okay, thank you. No, they're just checking the system.
Attention. 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 An emergency
They could have told us that it was just a drill, but walked into a clean room. Time to pack all the stuff, then head down to the gym and see what the boys are up to.
Halo.
Howdy.
Iya deh.
Gori.
Sewa kopsu.
Do. Do to
Gori. Airport side.
Oi. Oh, it's got back to the hotel. Gonna pack. Se fa mandar literal.
Oh yeah, like this morning.
Oh, okay. Catch. Oh, Robil sana siguro.
Iya.
Okay, set.
We'll get there and then we'll come up to the room.
Yeah. Set.
Someone at the room.
Me.
And huh?
I'm here right now.
No, I mean later. We on our way back to hotel.
Yeah, set.
Set. Alright, I'm getting it.
Okay, set. Right. Those guys still mucking around. Here we are. Gonna pack and then shoot off.
Ready to go.
Howdy. Electrolytes. And we're going to the gym because it's gonna be a long flight. Try and burn off some energy. Probably have a swim. Don't know how cold it is outside. It's probably 10 degrees, but we'll go for a swim because we're stupid like that. Bar. Gym done. It is 15 degrees outside and we are going to go for a swim. Oh! Crazy. This is the Sheraton. Kind of feels like Adelaide. Look at that. Texas, baby. Boy. question, patah-patah sarang otek. It's actually warmer in the water than outside. So that's it. We're going to sign out from the hotel, check out from the hotel, and then we're going to the airport. We're actually leaving in half an hour, so gonna go up and get ready now. Whew, good session. No bother. Alright, heading back to the airport. Dallas has been good to us.
I'm coming home.
Just got to the airport. We'll check in now. Right, just we checked in. Time to go through customs, and then we're gonna go find some dinner. This ain't Texas. We don't hold 'em. We're looking for some duty not free. There it is. Duty free. Check out this booth. Fiji, baby. From Fiji to the world. Well, it was good, Dallas. Thank you, and see you soon.
More than Dallas.
What happens in Dallas? Let's go.
Happiness, I'm coming home.
I'm ready to fly off. How was the trip? Oh, it was great. Ate a lot of food. Oh, kachibil. Time to head back to Fiji. Naka Dallas. See you, Fiji.
Joy and happiness.